Alright guys, today's video is about how to concrete pump footings, which we'll show you. We've got Southwest Pump here, which are going to come do our footings for us, and we'll take you along to take a look. Alright guys, so we've got Jet Set Concrete with us today. That's what I always use. If you're in the southwest area, make sure you check them out. They're brilliant guys, really helpful. As you can see here, if you come around here with me. So, the arm at the back here, they basically mix everything on the wagon. They'll come down on the conveyor belt, straight into the bucket, into the pump, and then pump it right through the tubes as we just showed you a minute ago, right round into the footings.